This is the TinkerCAD simulation for the Cleanliness robot. It uses a ultrasonic distance sensor to detect objects. It uses two servos with a paralleled signal input to steer the robot and orient the distance sensor. It uses a servo to sweep the vacuum arm back and forth. It uses a DC motor for the vacuum. It uses two DC motors for the brush rollers. It uses a DC gear motor to drive the rear wheels. This light bulb represents the solenoid valve coil. It uses an IR remote to simulate server inputs to steer the robot. This potentiometer simulates low battery voltage, and these AA batteries in series represent a 12-volt lead-acid battery. Because the simulation struggles with all of the code active, part of the simulation will be done with the void drive subroutine commented out, and part of it will be done with the void clean drive subroutine commented out. When the battery voltage is low, it needs to be navigated to the charge station. It can turn or drive straight. Pressing the button indicates it's at the charge station. Adjust the potentiometer to increase the battery voltage. When the battery is no longer low, it will receive the clean command. Switch 4 is used to set mopping. Switches 1 through 3 are used to set aisles to clean. Aisles 1 through 3 will be cleaned. The clean drive subroutine is commented out, so it completes automatically and returns to the start. If an obstacle is detected within 38 inches, it can steer, but it cannot drive. With the drive subroutine commented out and the clean drive subroutine uncommented, we can see it clean the aisles automatically. It's set to mop mode. All 3 aisles will be cleaned. It navigates to the first aisle automatically because the drive subroutine is commented out. It turns the solenoid on to represent that fluid can flow onto the mop rollers. It will sweep the vacuum arm back and forth and then advance the motor if there is no obstacle detected. If an obstacle is detected, it will wait until the obstacle is no longer there. When it reaches the end of an aisle, it will turn 180 degrees and proceed back down the aisle until it has cleaned the entire aisle. Now it's cleaning aisle 2. It reached aisle 2 automatically because the drive subroutine is commented out. And it's done.